back. A breaking update coming in by the special cell today arrested a freelance journalist Rajiv Sharma on allegations of spying for the Chinese intelligence. Now, Chinese intelligence has tasked the journalist allegedly for conveying sensitive information in lieu of large amounts of money, where mobile phones, laptops and other incriminating sensitive material that has been recovered, and you were expecting more arrests that will be taking place, and this is an arrest of a freelance journalist that has taken place by the Delhi Police's special cell. Now, this journalist is being accused allegedly for spying for Chinese intelligence, and he was tasked with conveying sensitive information in lieu of large amounts of money. Going across to Atul, who has more information with him. So total, how many arrests that have been made, Atul, and anything that we could be latest hearing from the Delhi Police's side?
Well, as of now, 3 persons have been arrested by the special cell of Delhi Police. Rajiv Sharma is a Delhi-based journalist, and he had been writing for Global Times. Global Times is the newspaper and the website of China. And Rajiv Sharma was in touch with several other persons in China, as well as the journalist and the Chinese intelligence agency. This lady was, was a spy of Chinese intelligence agency, and she was in touch with Rajiv Sharma. She has given a lot. She has given a large number of amount to Rajiv Sharma, and she was demanding few war-related documents which were recovered from the possession of Rajiv Sharma. Rajiv Sharma accessed these secret documents through his sources and sold this to this Chinese lady, and the money was paid to Rajiv Sharma through fake companies, and that is why when Special Cell came to know about this, they registered a case under Official Secret Acts and arrested Rajiv Sharma. His gadgets were checked, his emails were checked, his call detail records were checked, and finally this lady was arrested, and one more person who is from Nepal has been arrested. Rajiv Sharma was on 6th-day police remand, and he was squeezed by the special cell. Today he will be produced before Patiala House Court. This lady will also be produced before Patiala House Court, and special cell will try to seek remand of 10 days of these 2 persons, the Nepalese and the Chinese. The special cell sources have confirmed that these official secrets, these classified documents which have been recovered from the possession of Rajiv Sharma, he was in touch with also the government officers of India, because these are the most crucial documents. This is related to the war documents that China, related to the war documents. We can say the army's documents which cannot be in the possession of the civilians, and that is why Special Cell is hoping that there are more arrests and the possibilities of Indian national as well. Yeah.
All right, so we are standing by for the official statement that will be coming out from the Delhi Police's side, and it's going to happen at 3:30 this afternoon on the arrest that they have been making in the last evening arrest that has been made of this freelance journalist, and other arrests that have been made also in connection of the Spain that is being said spying in lieu of large amounts of money for the Chinese intelligence.